Hey, it's Steve. I want to talk to you today about conversion kits for your truck suspension. I often get calls from customers looking to convert their trucks either from an older suspension to a newer suspension, or maybe a mechanical suspension to an air suspension. And you want to start this process by going to our website and filling out a conversion application. So go to www.hendrickson-intl.com. At the top of the page, you'll see a link, Parts and Service. Click on that link, scroll all the way down to the bottom. There you'll find another link that says Conversion Kits. Click on Conversion Kits. Once you're on that page, download the application. Fill out as much information as possible about the truck. Once that application is filled out, in the upper right-hand corner of the page is an email address that email it back to us. Once we receive your application, we'll run it through our engineering department. They're going to ensure you have the proper ride height, proper driveline angles, proper pinion angles. Keep in mind, the conversions are only for rear truck suspensions and not front truck suspensions. Conversion kits are a great way to reinvest and reinvent your truck. Thanks for watching, and remember, Hendrickson is here to help you go the extra mile. For more information, please visit our website at www.hendrickson-intl.com.